Borealis credit card payments. The following video explains how the system owner can make a Borealis subscription payment using a credit card. Note, only the system owner can make subscription payments, and the system owner is also the only operator that will see the shopping cart icon and the subscriptions menu item. If you have recently created a new system, it will be within a setup period, which is currently for 30 days. You must pay for any items in the shopping cart within the setup period. Otherwise, the system will be suspended. When controllers are added to Borealis, the controller's readers will be added to the shopping cart. The number next to the icon indicates how many items have been added. If you have added a controller, but one of the readers will not be used, you should go to the reader screen and use the specific reader's action menu, and then select Remove from Subscription. The reader will then be removed from the shopping cart. Note, PXL readers cannot be removed from the subscription, but PXL controllers can easily be configured as one-door controllers. Making a credit card payment. To pay for items in the cart, click on the cart icon, then review and close the notification message. You can expand the chargeable items to view the full list. Place a check mark to confirm the reseller agreement, then click the Checkout button. Click the New Payment button. A credit card payment form will appear. Enter the full card number, then the expiry date, followed by the 3-digit card security number, which is typically printed on the back of the card. Note, you must also enter the cardholder's zip code. It is important that this matches the zip code that the card is registered to. Select if you wish to use this card for the renewal payment. As you can see, Save Card is selected by default. This option will allow you to use this as an existing card when paying for additional items. Check the box to confirm you are not a robot. Click on the Submit button. The payment will be processed and should complete within a few seconds. Invoicing and payment history. Once a subscription payment has been made, the system owner will be emailed a link to where they can download the invoice. Alternatively, if the system owner is logged into Borealis, they can click on Subscription, then Billing History, and invoices can be downloaded from here.